Assalamu alaikum students. Today we have a discussion about a very important topic, which is elementary and non-elementary reactions. First of all, I can explain elementary reaction and then other non-elementary reactions. First of all, we observe the difference between elementary and non-elementary reactions. If we define elementary reactions, then elementary reactions are those reactions in which the rate equation and the stoichiometric equation relate to each other. Observe the definition, then I can explain it clearly. Then we observe the difference between both of these equations. First of all, elementary reactions. Student, observe the definition. In definitions I have cleared, elementary reactions are those in which the rate equation and the stoichiometric equation correspond to each other. But I have to differentiate the rate equation and stoichiometric equation. First of all, rate equation are those equations in that relate or that connect or that can explain the rate of forward reactions relation with that of the concentration of reactants and that of the pressure of reactants. Means rate equations are those equations that indicates or those equations in which the rate of forward reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of reactants and or the pressure of reactants, because the concentration of reactants is called the pressure of a reactants. How much amount of reactants is present, what is the concentration of reactants, it is called the pressure of reactants. And second, we know a stoichiometric equation. Stoichiometric equations are those that indicate the completion of a reaction, that explain nothing is left behind at reactant sides, that can explain the total conversion of a reactants into a products. So those equations that indicate the total conversion of reactants into a products, these equations are called as stoichiometric equations. And elementary reactions are those reactions in which the rate equation and the stoichiometric equation corresponds to each other. Such type of reactions are called elementary or a simple reactions. These are called simple reactions or elementary reaction. But one thing which is very important, student, observe that slide. In elementary reactions, no more than one step is involved. It is very important to note. If we have a simple reaction, then completed in one step. But if we have a complex reaction, then it completed in more than one step, because we are talking about a simple or elementary reactions. So no more than one step is involved. Maybe the more than one species is involved, but no more than one step is involved. So such type of reactions are simple reactions, and these are called the elementary reaction. But we observe the other type. In other type, we observe non-elementary reactions.